Winter brings with it a world of wonder, snow-covered mornings, cozy evenings, and the season of holiday cheer. But it also ushers in something far less welcome: colds, the flu, and the resurgence of COVID-19. For many, this is the time when their immune system faces its greatest test. But what if I told you that the key to not just surviving but thriving this winter lies in what's on your plate? That's right, nature has gifted us with everything we need to fortify our health, build a stronger immune system, and stay vibrant during the colder months. In today's episode of Symptoms, we'll dive into the power of winter nutrition and how simple dietary changes can transform your health. Let's explore together. Nature's cycles are fascinating, aren't they? Each season brings its own unique charm and bounty. Every season provides exactly what our bodies need at that moment. It's almost as if nature knows what we require to thrive. In winter, this means an abundance of nutrient-rich vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, spinach, leeks, and cabbage. These vegetables are not only delicious, but also essential for our health. These aren't just tasty additions to your meals. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help combat the winter blues and illnesses. They provide the warmth and nourishment our bodies crave during the colder months. But let's dig a little deeper. There's more to these winter vegetables than meets the eye. One of the most overlooked yet vital nutrients in these vegetables is fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall health. Our gut health, the cornerstone of our immune system, depends on fiber to flourish. A healthy gut can make all the difference in how we feel and function. Inside your digestive tract, trillions of beneficial bacteria, known as your microbiome, work tirelessly to protect you from illness. They are your body's unsung heroes, and they have one primary fuel: fiber. Without it, they can't function optimally. By eating a variety of winter vegetables, you're not just feeding yourself, you're nourishing your gut microbiome. This in turn supports your overall well-being. And the stronger your gut, the stronger your immune system. A robust immune system is your best defense against winter ailments. It's as simple as that. Embrace the season and let nature's bounty keep you healthy and happy. Now, let's move to the sweet side of winter. Citrus fruits like oranges, mandarins, and grapefruits shine this time of year, delivering a potent dose of vitamin C. And let's not forget the pomegranate, often referred to as the queen of fruits. Its antioxidants are unparalleled, offering protection against inflammation and oxidative stress. But here's a question for you. Are you mindful of your portions? A single serving of fruit, about the size of your fist, is enough to meet your daily needs without overloading on sugar. So next time you enjoy an orange or slice into a pomegranate, remember, balance is key. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your go-to winter fruit, and how do you like to prepare it? Drop your answer in the comments below. We might all discover some new ideas. Here's a common winter question. Do you need supplements to stay healthy during the colder months? For most people, eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, the answer is no. Vitamins from whole foods are more bioavailable and effective than synthetic tablets, meaning your body can absorb and use them better. However, there are exceptions, particularly when it comes to vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health and immune function. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, becomes harder to get during the winter months due to reduced sunlight exposure. Without enough sunlight, our bodies struggle to produce this essential nutrient, which can lead to deficiencies. And its role in immunity is significant. It helps your cells produce proteins that slow down viral replication and reduce inflammation, keeping you healthier. Studies have shown that people with sufficient vitamin D levels experience fewer and milder respiratory infections, which is especially important during flu season. But if fatty fish like salmon isn't a regular part of your diet, a daily supplement of 2000 IU can make a big difference in maintaining your health. As always, consult your doctor for personalized advice tailored to your specific health needs and conditions. Let's explore some powerful, natural antiviral foods that can be your first line of defense this winter. Garlic. This ancient superfood isn't just a flavor booster, it's a natural antibiotic and antiviral powerhouse. Add it generously to soups, stews, and roasted dishes for maximum benefits. Herbs and spices, oregano, thyme, rosemary, and basil aren't just for seasoning. They're scientifically proven to fight off viruses. Brew them into teas or sprinkle them over your meals. Olive leaf tea. Containing oleuropein, a compound with antiviral properties. Olive leaf tea is a simple yet potent addition to your winter wellness routine. These foods are more than just remedies. They're tools for building long-term resilience. Which of these do you already use? Let us know in the comments below. Do you remember the comforting warmth of a homemade soup on a cold winter day? Traditional remedies like lentil soup, chicken broth, and vegetable stews aren't just nostalgic. They're nutritional powerhouses. Pair these meals with warming spices like turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon to elevate their health benefits even further. And let's not overlook beverages. Herbal teas, such as mint, chamomile, and ginger, offer not only comfort, but also additional immune-boosting properties. A warm cup of tea paired with the right ingredients can be just as healing as any medicine. To wrap up, here's your action plan for a healthy and vibrant winter. This blueprint will guide you through the season, ensuring you stay energized and well. Incorporate winter vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and cabbage into at least 3 meals a week. These veggies are packed with essential nutrients. They help boost your immune system and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Enjoy 1 serving of seasonal fruit daily. Think oranges, mandarins, or pomegranates. These fruits are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. They not only taste great, but also help in fighting off winter colds. Add fiber-rich foods like lentils, beans, and oats to your diet for a stronger gut and immune system. These foods are excellent for digestion. They also help in maintaining a healthy weight during the colder months. Aim for at least 2 servings of fish per week, or take a vitamin D supplement if needed. Fish is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin D is crucial during the winter months when sunlight is limited. Don't forget your herbal teas. They're an easy and effective way to stay warm and healthy. Herbal teas can also help in relaxation and stress relief. Embrace traditional meals like soups and stews for their incredible nutritional value. These meals are comforting and nourishing. They are perfect for keeping you warm and full during the chilly days. Winter doesn't have to be a season of sickness. By following these simple yet powerful tips, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from common illnesses and make this season one of health and happiness. Stay active, eat well, and enjoy the beauty of winter. With these strategies, you can make the most of the winter season and thrive. Thank you for watching today's episode of Symptoms. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to help spread the word. And remember, your health is in your hands. Let's continue the conversation in the comments. What are your favorite winter wellness tips? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay warm, stay safe, and stay healthy.